Good evening and welcome to Let's Talk. I created this show about a month ago to talk about uh, current events or headlines in the news. But just around that time, the brutal murder of Samantha Woll took place. And I pledged to continue to talk about her case on the show until someone has been brought to justice. And boom, that is just what happened. Yesterday, Wednesday, December the 13th, Michael Manuel Jackson Bolanos, 28, was charged with murder, home invasion, and lying to police. Now, police said the two did not know each other. And according to the police, Jackson Bolanos was identified as the perpetrator after an investigation that led the included the revealing of security footage, witness interviews, cell phone data, forensic evidence, and he was arraigned that evening, yesterday evening. He did enter a not guilty plea. Now, now, during this arraignment, there's new information that was brought to light. It came out that we did not know this before, but Miss Wolf, she was stabbed 8 times in the head and the neck area. Now, it was the attack in the home in Lafayette Park on 21st of October. The attack began inside her home before she stumbled outside and collapsed in the sidewalk. Now, prosecutors described her murder as a crime of opportunity. Uh, when Jackson Bolanos was allegedly prowling the neighborhood, uh, looking, stealing from cars and came across her front door, open door. Uh, that's what it was stated, that her door was open. So she may have just came home and it was just right the wrong time. So Miss Wool's blood was allegedly found on a jacket that the suspect was wearing on the night of the murder. So there is that incriminating piece of evidence there. Police believe it started as a home invasion uh, when Jackson Bolanos entered Miss Wool's residence and stabbed her multiple times. Department also said that he lied to police by making false and misleading statements relating to the case. Now, a probable cause conference is scheduled for Jackson Bolanos on December 27th. And then a preliminary examination will take place on the 3rd of January. So, according to what we know, uh, according to the Department of Corrections for Michigan, Jackson Bolanos was convicted of receiving and concealing stolen motor vehicles in 2014 and 2019. Now, according to the Michigan Department of Records, he was spent 2 years on probation, and then I believe served 4 years in prison over those type of arrests. So Jackson, he was arrested on December 10th. Uh, he was questioned beforehand, and they were watching him. And because of the car thefts, he was arrested back then, I guess, for questioning, not arrested, but detained and questioned in regards to burglaries. And it was just pieced together that he was the suspect. So, with the blood found on his jacket, is very damning and incriminating. Now, again, if you'd like to come on the panel and share your opinions or chat, you're more than welcome. There is the link to it. Um, so yes, finally someone has been arrested and charged. It was my thinking was it was either a boyfriend that was at home, she'd picked somebody up or was at home, or it was a person lying in wait. And it was just, yeah, home invasion. She and I'm not exactly sure. That sounds like the police think that the door was ajar and she and Jackson Bolanos went into the home. Uh, or is it that he got her as she was going into the home? I don't know. Um, but yes, he has been charged, arrested and charged. So with some incriminating evidence, he is his lawyer, Brown, I think his name is, stated that he looks forward to his day in court, and so we shall see. So yeah, that is the case. They arrested somebody and have charged him 3 felony charges. Um, so yeah, um, homicide, larceny, and lying to the police. So the I think Michigan law is life in prison is what he would be facing. Um, so that is what is going on. Today is Thursday, and if we have any more updates tomorrow, I will let you know. But that is what we know so far. I appreciate you stopping by and listening and following along with this case. So someone has been brought to justice. Thank goodness. Until tomorrow, have a good night.